In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Aosom discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser right here and you'll have to search for Aosom discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called returnminal.com and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use and we can get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with $5 discount off site wide, you can simply select show code from right here, and as you can see, this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one and apply it on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called couponfollow.com. And right here, we have also some promo codes. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with £5 off discount, all you need to do is simply select your coupon code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one, and if you apply the promo code on your next purchase, you'll get that £5 discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.